This is the complete cooling system. This is a fan. Should be a fan in here. And when the freezer here works good, works really good. But how the fridge gets cold is the fan in here blows air down that tube. So that then the cold air come down in the bottom of the fridge. Because all the cold comes from here. So I will take this apart and see if the fan works. Hear it running? Fan don't work. There it goes. Now it will blow cold air down below. So what's wrong with our fridge is the fan's going. I can feel the wind off it. It's going like a son of a gun now. You know, when it's together, every time I shut it off, it don't work. So I took the cover off, and now every time I plug it in, it works. So we just don't put the cover on, and the fridge seems to be working okay. We'll see how long it lasts. You hear it working, you can feel the air. Maybe last an hour.